Hello, good day. I'm Zairo Sidinglasa and today I'm going to discuss about health mental issues. So how is technology connected to mental issues? Technology is deeply connected to mental health in both positive and negative. Platforms like Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram influence how people think and feel and impact. People are using technology to communicate, learn, and access mental health. Online communities can provide emotional support and reduce loneliness. Mental health apps offer self-help tools, therapy access, and mood tracking. So, does technology make the issue worse? How? Yes, it's many cases technology can worsen mental health issues like cyberbullying. Cyberbullying, negative comments or harassment online can cause anxiety and depression. So, and other example how it works is addiction. Excessive screen time can reduce sleep and increase stress. Then last is isolation. Even though people are connected, they may feel more alone in real life. And third, and the next, how can computer science help to solve or reduce this issue? So, as a computer science, we have to, I have suggest that AI-based detection app is considered as helpful things or app. It system can detect signs of depression or anxiety from user behavior. Then another, mental health apps. So mental health apps provides guide meditation, therapy charts, and copying strategies. Then other, content moderation. Algorithm can reduce harmful contents and cyberbullying. Another suggestion for app, digital well-being tools. It can features like screen time limits help users manage usage. So next, suggest system app software. So I suggest like AI chat support. It is a chat box that provides